We are constantly working to ensure our contractors, clients, and visitors are safe during these challenging times. That's why we've introduced RapidGo, a quick and easy way to sign in and sign out of the manufacturing facility when you're starting and finishing your shift. This new process will help guarantee that we're all feeling healthy and strong so we can continue to deliver exceptional care. Every visitor will need to scan the QR code, which will launch the RapidGo sign-in page. Step 1. Fill out your contact details. Step 2. Take a fun selfie. Step 3. Complete the COVID-19 Wellness Questionnaire. Step 4. When you're leaving your shift, simply open the RapidGo page on your phone or scan the QR code again and sign out. This quick 1-minute process will help ensure we're all safe and healthy. Contactless check-in and screening tool for every site visitor to ensure traceability and guard against unauthorised entry.